These are the video directions for the Is My Website Reliable assignment. First, you should have your partner on this page. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says Is My Website Reliable and your name. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click up at the top where you see the title, and you're going to add your partner's name to it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to share it with your partner. So you're going to click on the share button in the top right corner. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in your partner's email address. Remember that it should be their first initial, last name, 24 at hanoverstudents.org. So just like we see here, except everybody's first initial and last name will be different, and then you click on send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to find a website that has to do with a place in Massachusetts. So we're going to open up a new tab. So you're going to click on new tab, and then you're going to do a search. So let's say, for example, you were doing the TD Garden. You can search about TD Garden. And then what you're going to do is click on a link that appears. It could be the first link, it doesn't have to be, but you want to find a good website. And then if you decide that it's a good website, what you're going to do is you're going to click up at the top in order to highlight the URL. And then you're going to hit Control and C on your keyboard. Then you're going to click back over to the Is My Website Reliable tab. And you're going to click underneath where it says URL of website, and then hit Control and V on your keyboard to paste it. Then what you're going to do is hit the space bar. Next, what you're going to do is click back over to the website that you're using, and you just want to click somewhere else in the white space at the top in order to deselect it. Next, you're going to copy the suffix, which is the last part in black. In this case, the suffix is .com. So we're just going to click and drag in order to highlight .com. Hit Control C on the keyboard, click back over to Is My Website Reliable, click under where it says suffix, and then hit Control V on your keyboard in order to paste it. Next, we're going to look for 4 reasons why the website is reliable. So all of your reasons are listed up here, but you want to be specific. So for example, professional appearance. We can say that, this has a very professional appearance with lots of pictures and tabs. So we might say something like that. So for example, we'll just say the website has professional pictures and tabs. And I'm just going to say pro, that way we know, and make it a little faster. Next, we want to maybe check the date. So down at the bottom, you'll see if it was copyrighted during a certain date, 2016. You want to be specific, so then you can say copyrighted in 2016. So if you're saying that it's a new website, you want to tell when it was actually made. Next, perhaps we can say that we recognize and trust the domain name. The domain name is the part right before the .com. So in this case, TD Garden, we recognize it. So we can say we recognize the domain TD Garden. And then finally, maybe we can find the same facts on other websites. So we can find a fact that, that we see about TD Garden. So for example, it says it opened in 1995. Maybe we can go on to a new tab and then ask, when did TD Garden open? And we can find that information on other websites. So for example, we were able to find, other websites. For example, this one says opened on September 30th, 1995. And then we've got, if we click on some of the others, we can see maybe MBA.com. But you want to be specific and say that you found a certain fact on other websites. So if we go back, basically what you want to do is click back over to Is My Website Reliable? And then we can say something like, we found other websites that said it opened in 1995. So now we have 4 really good reasons. And notice it matches up with the stuff up here. So then the last thing you're going to do is click back over to the Is My Website Reliable Google Classroom tab that has the little person. And then you're going to click on Turn In. Then click on Turn In again. And that's it.